Alright, so I picked this Hellcat cluster up. A little dirty. We're finna put it on right now. I already took that fucking trim piece off. That's the new radio we literally just picked up not too long ago. And we're finna take this one out and replace it with the Hellcat 200 on the dash. Alright, we had to take this clip off, but I ain't finna get it. We broke that piece. But this is still good. Finna plug and play right now. Right back in there. Sitting nice and pretty.